In front of me is INFINIX Zero X Pro, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing options. Start by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to hit System. Then select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Following that, hit Text Correction and operate all of those options however you want to. At the top, you can click on gray switcher next to Show Suggestion strip to activate it, and then in the future, if you wish to enter text correction, just launch your keyboard and click on this gear icon on Suggestion strip. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!